Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And today we're going to teach people something really simple, something that we almost do every day, especially here in Taiwan. 在台湾呢，常常呢，我们都要去逛市场啊，逛夜市啊。我们今天就教市场 market， 好不好？
好，市场。
市场 that's 市场 which means a market in general, right? Mom went to the market to buy some food. 妈妈去菜市场买菜了。
阿妹去市场买菜嘞。
阿妹好像是妹妹可是是妈妈。阿妹
去市场买菜嘞。
去市场买菜嘞。Again, that means mom went to the market to buy some food. Now, there's also the supermarket. 我们刚刚讲的市场不是比较那种传统式其实现在很多人喜欢逛超市，对不对？
比较多东西啊。
How do you say 逛超市? That means shopping at the supermarket.
旺超市。
旺超市。我们一起去逛超市。Let's go to the supermarket together.
共下来去旺超市。
And that means us. We should go to the supermarket and shop.
共下来去。
共下来去。
旺超市。
旺超市 OK 然后还有一个台湾呢大家非常喜爱的都会介绍给外国人的就是夜市鸭市
那海陆腔的夜市鸭市
然后四线是
鸭市
Oh, this is quite different for a different dialect. So let's make a sentence out of this. There's a lot of great food and delicacies at the night market. 夜市里有很多小吃
鸭市肚有青岛西用简单的东西好吃
刚刚不是完了吗？怎么后面还这么一大句呢？我只是说小吃而已我没有要大吃大喝我只要小吃就好了
好我解释给你听
为什么念这么长
西用简单的就是小样简单的你看夜市里面是不是卖简单一点点然后很多种类的东西
Interesting. The Hakka, when they refer to delicacies, in Chinese we just say 小吃 which means just, tapas. But in Hakka, they have a long description for it. It means simple, small items that are tasty. So let's review these terms. First of all, 市场 the market.
市场
And then shopping at the supermarket. 逛超市
旺超市
And finally, the night market.
鸭市
There you have it. It's all about practical Hakka here in ICRT.
什么太嘎
按子 say 张来了
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.